Which tonneau cover for your Nissan Frontier is actually good? Simple question, but you need to look a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're diving into the top picks that can protect your gear and enhance your truck's functionality. Product number 1, Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up. First up is the Tiger Auto T1 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Priced at $206, this cover caught my attention with its high rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 1,000 reviews. If you want a reliable, high-quality option, this is worth a serious look. This cover is designed specifically for the 2022-2026 Nissan Frontier with a 5-bed. The heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl is built to withstand the elements, which means your gear will stay dry and secure. What I love is the easy installation. You won't need to drill any holes. Plus, it includes a weather seal strip to keep the rain out, and you can easily roll it up for full bed access when needed. With a 5-year warranty, this product certainly shows that Tiger stands behind its quality. Now, some users complained about needing to cut small holes for clamps if you have an over-the-bedrail bedliner. Here's the thing, though, if you're okay with a little modification, the benefits far outweigh this hassle. Plus, this cover fits models both with and without the utility track system, making it a solid choice for many. This is perfect for you if you need a durable cover that's easy to install and offers great weather protection. Skip this one if you're looking for something that doesn't require any adjustments at all. Considering the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the installation aspect bothered you, the next cover has a completely different approach. Product number 2, MaxMate Soft Roll-Up. Next is the MaxMate Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $199 with an impressive 4.7-star rating from 1,000 reviews. If you're after a great blend of functionality and price, this might be the one for you. This cover is also tailored for the 2022-2026 Nissan Frontier and features a similar heavy-duty 24 Oz marine-grade vinyl construction. You'll appreciate the Velcro sealing on the sides and the latch lock system at the tailgate, which enhances security. It's designed to keep your cargo safe from rain and snow, which is essential if you frequently carry gear. Installation is straightforward, with no drilling required, making it accessible even for beginners. However, some users noted that the vinyl can sag over time. Here's the thing, with proper tension adjustments on the side rails, you can keep it tight and wrinkle-free. So while it may require some upkeep, the benefits of easy access and affordability are hard to beat. This is a great pick if you want an easy-to-use cover that doesn't break the bank. Skip this one if you're not willing to adjust it occasionally. For its price, it provides fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you need something with a bit more versatility. Product number 3, MOSTPLUS Trifold. Now let's talk about the MOSTPLUS 5FT Trifold Soft Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $153.84. With a solid rating of 4.5 stars from 456 reviews, it's a budget-friendly choice that's gaining traction. Installation is as easy as it gets, no drilling or special tools required. Plus, it can be removed quickly whenever you need to haul larger items. However, some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to lock securely. Honestly, if you're someone who frequently needs to access the truck bed, this may frustrate you. But if you can manage the locking mechanism, you'll appreciate the ease of use and value for the money. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and flexible cover. Skip this one if you need a high-security option for valuable cargo. For what it offers, it's a steal. Now, if the locking mechanism concerns you, the next cover has a more secure design. Product number 4, O-Ed-Row Soft Trifold. Next up is the O-Ed-Row Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, priced at $143.82 and boasting a solid 4.6-star rating from 774 reviews. If you're looking for a reliable cover that balances security and ease of use, this might catch your eye. The pre-assembled powder-coated rails make installation a breeze, typically requiring no drilling. When secured, it effectively converts your truck bed into a secure trunk, protecting your cargo from the elements. Now the downside is that some users found the installation instructions a bit confusing. Here's the thing, though, if you follow the included manual carefully, it shouldn't be a problem. The solid construction and security features compensate for it. This is perfect for you if you want a balance of security and convenience. Skip this one if you're looking for something with super detailed installation instructions. Considering the price, it offers great value for a sturdy cover. Now, if you want a more straightforward installation, the next product might just be what you need. Product number 5, AUTOSAVER Soft Roll-Up. Finally, we have the AUTOSAVER 88 Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau cover, priced at $165.99. With a 4.6-star rating from 240 reviews, this one is getting a lot of attention for its quality. Plus, the double-layer PVC cover is resistant to tearing, ensuring it lasts through harsh conditions. However, a few users pointed out that the tension system can be tricky to adjust properly. I'll be real with you, if you don't mind spending a little time getting it just right, the protection and ease of use make it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install cover that provides solid weather protection. Skip this one if you're looking for something that requires zero adjustments. For the price, it delivers excellent value. In conclusion, we've seen a great range of tonneau covers here. From the durable Tiger Auto to the budget-friendly MOSD-PLUS, each option has unique strengths. Choose based on your specific needs and you can't go wrong. To wrap things up, we looked at the Tiger Auto T1 for durability, the MaxMate for affordability, the MOSD-PLUS for flexibility, the OED Row for a mix of security and convenience, and the AUTOSAVER 88 for easy installation. Each has its strengths, so find the one that fits your needs best.